Hello, I'm back.
Doing your part. I
Watch this.
Have you been doing your part?
Doesn't sound so satisfying. Let's play that one more time.
Have you been doing your part? I got a new idea. I
This sound like he's so drunk.
got a new idea. Everyone doing their part. Have you been doing your part?
Man, this is really good sound effect, bro. I'm gonna use this every time I make a video. Good job.
Part. I got a new idea. I got a new idea to stop T-Series.
But all notes aside, guys, I'm gonna finish video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please drop a fat like in the video. If you're new person by the channel, please subscribe, guys. Subscribe for more content like this. And probably, I'm thinking my next video, I will make it kind of like a sick beat with this sound effect, guys. This is a good sound effect, guys. So, yeah, man. See you much. So, peace out.
I got a new idea.